Pennsylvania State Police has issued an Amber Child Abduction Alert for the Bloomsburg Parish, Columbia County. On February 5th, 2017, at approximately 7 p.m., Alexis Weber, a 2-year-old white female, was abducted from 2200 West Front Street, Berwick, Columbia County, Pennsylvania. She is described as a 3-foot-tall, 30-pound, blonde hair, blue eyes. She was last seen wearing a white coat, blue polka dot shirt, and black pants. Weber was inside a 2005 yellow Ford convertible Mustang bearing Pennsylvania registration HWN 1367. The vehicle was stolen by an unknown actor and fled the area towards LaPorte, PA. Repeating, the Pennsylvania State Police has issued an Amber Child Abduction Alert for the Bloomsburg Parish, Columbia County. On February 5th, 2017, at approximately 7 p.m., Alexis Weber, a 2-year-old white female, was abducted from 2200 West Front Street, Berwick, Columbia County, Pennsylvania. She is described as 3-foot-tall, 30 pounds, blonde hair, and blue eyes. She was last seen wearing a white coat, blue polka dot shirt, and black pants. Weber was inside a 2005 yellow Ford convertible Mustang bearing Pennsylvania registration HWN 1367. The vehicle was stolen by an unknown actor and fled the area towards LaPorte, PA. Anyone with information is asked to contact the police by dialing 911. This has been an Amber Child Abduction for the Pennsylvania State Police, Bloomsburg Parish, Columbia County.
Whatever you're making, download the Watch Food Network app today.
And that is pretty much it.